to Mexico.
Safe landing.
Super excited. We are waiting on our transportation to transport us to the resort. So I will check back in with you guys later. My throat is a bit dry, so if I sound hoarse, that's why. But I'll check back in with you guys once we get to the resort. But we made it. We're so excited. You guys, so as you've seen, that's the tour of our room, our little suite. So we are about to get out of these hot hoodies and go grab something to eat. It is raining, so today's gonna be like a chill day. Check out the resort, see what's around, and get excited for tomorrow because the sun is gonna be out, but the water is so beautiful, just hearing all the waves. But yeah, nothing much today. Travel days are usually exhausting. So we're just going to eat, chill, and check out the resort. So far, love how everything looks, nice and airy. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, this place is nice. Looks just like you described it.
Yeah, we will keep you guys posted and stay tuned. Two fries is what is in this box.
Come on over if you wanna have a good time. No more playing around, but now's the time to cross the line.
So we out here, first drink of the evening.
Pina colada. Bob Marley. Tastes good?
Amazing.
This is really sweet.
This is good.
So the rain has calmed down and stopped. So I think we're gonna go put on some type of flats, like sandals, because I still have on my Uggs. And then just walk around the resort.
Just got finished eating.
And put this stuff down. The burger was actually pretty good. So we definitely are going to be going back there for burgers.
Mexico. What is this shot to? Love, peace, and happiness. Thank you, thank you. This one is alright, yeah. This one is alright.
What is up, you guys? It is day 2. Well, a full day 1. But it is so beautiful outside. I'm gonna show you guys. We're heading down for breakfast now and going to take on the day. The sun is out today. My voice is still gone, but these glasses are bomb. My prescription are in them, so I'm too hyped because I don't ever have sunglasses with my prescription in them. But let's take on this day. The sun is out. Let's go. And my hat. Let's go. So the resort is so nice, you guys. Look at this. The different pools that we have. The greenery.
The private pools to the left.
Oh yeah, some people have private pools. Yeah, we're heading to breakfast. So we are back from breakfast.
After getting pressed out by Alfredo.
So there are a couple people on the resort. They work on the resort, but they want you to do like a free hour presentation so you can get like a discount book, free lunch or breakfast or whatever. So I was really contemplating this whole thing because I know that they can be very persuasive out here, and everything sounds good. But we're thinking about just going ahead and do it at noon. I'll let you guys know how that goes. But these glasses though, the fact that my prescription are in them, baby, I can see why my eyes are covered by from the sun. I'll catch you guys as we're going into the shops and when we get on the beach and the pools. So right now we just got out of the pool. I'm just soaking up the sun. As you guys can see, beautiful today, so beautiful. I just wanted to check in with you guys. We went on the beach, but it was so packed, and I think it's only like 12:20 right now. It was so packed at like 11 o'clock this morning. So we're gonna check the beach out in the next couple of hours. Once more seats are available, and people will start probably like coming back to the resort to like go to lunch and stuff. So we're about to check out this little tour. Little presentation. We'll see what they're talking about. We'll see. But I honestly just wanted to do it so I can check out this restaurant for the it's like privileged exclusive members. So I want to check out that restaurant. I'll keep you guys posted with that. So far this resort is very, very clean. It's very modern. If you're looking for like just a relaxing type of vacation with like a little bit of turn up at nighttime, because there was a turn up like partying like upstairs after one of the bars had closed last night, and they opened up to like 1 a.m. And I feel like that's enough, that's enough for me, with all types of music, all genres of music. So yeah, but I'll keep you guys posted on everything else. All right, y'all, so we are now headed out for dinner. I did a little like everyday your makeup, what is it called, your makeup no makeup look using the Fenty foundation, so make sure you check that video out. But we are now headed to dinner. I will show you guys what I am wearing tonight. And yeah, let's go ahead and get excited for tonight. All right, y'all, so this is the outfit. I figured I'll just keep these like sparkly slides on. I didn't feel like changing my bag from earlier, so this is the bag. This like straw bag from Amazon. This dress is like a little rouging dress from Express, like a halter dress. This necklace is from Ana Luisa. My earrings are from Truth and Trinkets. They're so freaking cute. Get into it. They actually have like quotes on there to empower women. So check them out. That's basically it with these like sparkle sandals. So I'm just gonna do this for tonight. It's the mirrors for me. So we ended up at this Mexican place called Adelita, because the steak place, of course, was booked. So by the time the 10 people that's on the wait list, she said they closed at 9, 10 o'clock. It would have been late. It's already 8:15 and the wait list is that long. So we're at Adelita and we're gonna enjoy some Mexican food. So super excited about that. So dinner was okay. They were like corn tortillas. I don't really like corn tortillas, but the steak was okay. I just feel like it was lacking flavor. I don't know, that particular restaurant wasn't the best for it to be Mexican to me. So we ended up going back to the buffet, and at the buffet I had just two like chicken strips. But we're now just hanging out. There's a show going on, a Latina show going on, like traditional Mexican show. Super excited about tomorrow because we're going on an excursion, so I'm gonna face my fear. I don't know how much I'm gonna capture, but stay tuned for tomorrow. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. But yeah, so stay tuned for tomorrow's festivities.